This 2025 Winnebago Revel Sport 44N is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep's 2 carbon monoxide detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, stovetop burner, LP detector, skylight, spare tire kit, refrigerator, external shower, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Revel Sport 44N is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.